Hey there to my toy collectors. This is Louis from Lulu's Action Figure. So today we got an exclusive from Ringside Collectibles, the Ultimate Edition Razor Ramon. So say hello to the bad guy. So as you can see, this figure looks awesome. Way better than the last figures that they had. The face scanning is incredible in this action figure. I'm loving every bit of it. As you can see, here goes the packaging. We're going to get up and close to the bad guy, Razor Ramon with the machismo. Okay, let's turn the box. Check out the package. There goes the bad guy. And here it goes again. Razor Ramon, the Intercontinental Champion, one of the greatest Intercontinental Champions. So I wish, he had an opportunity to be the World Wrestling Federation Champion. That would have been awesome if that would have happened. But what we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to open this package and start reviewing the action figure up and close and personal. So we'll be right back. So hey folks, we're back once again. I finally unboxed the Razor Ramon, the Ultimate Edition. Got this from Ringside Collectibles. As you can see, Scott Hall looks incredible. Look at this. Check it out up and close. He definitely got the machismo. Definitely awesome scan. This is incredible. The back says Razor Ramon. I'm feeling the razors in the back and the elbow pads. Awesome. Chains. And as you can see, he comes with the Intercontinental belt. The Intercontinental Champion, one of my favorite titles, along with the Eagle belt. He also comes with two hands. The smooth walking hands, of course. He also comes with the bad guy. The bad guy hands. He also comes with two fist hands. And he comes with two heads. As you can see, look at the head scan on this. Pretty awesome. Look at that. I'm enjoying this. I'm thinking about changing the heads of the last figures to one of these heads because I'm feeling these head scans. Here's the other one. Hey, yo, Chico. Would be awesome if he had the toothpick in his mouth. So folks, there you go. Up and close and personal to the bad guy, Razor Ramon. So don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, follow me at IG at Lulu's Action Figures. Till next time, thank you.